Today I'm so glad that I'm going to share some of my experience with hydrotherapy during pain. And God has given a wonderful free gift, that is water, to be used when we are in health and in sickness. So before we begin, shall we read some of the Ellen White books from Ministry of Healing, page 237. It says, "In health and in sickness, pure water is of heaven's choicest blessings. Its proper use promotes health. It is the beverage which God provided to quench the thirst of animals and man. Drunk freely, it helps to supply the necessities of the system and assists nature to resist disease. The external application of water is one of the easiest and most satisfactory ways of regulating the circulation of the blood. A cold or cool bath is an excellent tonic. Warm baths open the pores and thus aid in the elimination of impurities. Both warm and neutral baths soothe the nerves and equalize their circulation. But many have never learned by experience the beneficial effects of the proper use of water, and they are afraid of it. Water treatments are not appreciated as they should be, and to apply them skillfully requires work that many are unwilling to perform. But none should feel excuse for ignorance or indifference on this subject. There are many ways in which water can be applied to relieve pain and to check disease. All should become intelligent in its use in simple home treatments. Mothers especially should know how to care for their families in both health and sickness." What a wonderful paragraph we have got through Ellen White. We all need to apply in our life, learn how to use the water for normal treatment. Okay, before I go to my experience, shall we learn from the livestock and the wild animals what they do when they become sick? Livestock and wild animals know what to do when physical sickness strikes. They have been observed eating certain plants, seeking out a stream or lake. They will bathe in the water or lie in it to treat their injuries. A dog that was bitten on the head by a rattlesnake first killed the snake, and then he went to a nearby creek where he lay in the water off and on for a week. He recovered completely. So we can learn some story from the livestock, how they use water for their treatment. And now I'm going to share some of my experience. Okay, the first time when I used water for my treatment, it was for my headache. I had a severe headache. I don't usually eat any medicine, and what I do was simply take a bucket of water, normal water, dip both my legs and put some mustard oil and sat there for 20 minutes. And I just gave some head massage and leg massage. And after 20 minutes, I removed my legs from the water, dried it well, and applied the mustard oil and massaged it. And you won't believe, my headache was relieved. And after that, I took some lemon water to get some energy. Okay, this was my first impression on water treatment. And I never kept quiet. I practiced in my life towards my patient. Okay, one day a patient came to my clinic and he had bladder problem. He haven't peed for 2 days. Okay, and when he came to my clinic, he was bending and coming, cannot stand erect because of the severe pain that he had. Okay, immediately I made him to lie down. I made hot water and I just used the water bag. I filled the hot water inside the water bag and made him to just put around his abdomen. Lo and behold, after a few minutes, he rushed to the bathroom. After 2 days, and he was relieved from the severe pain, and he joyfully went. And I could recall one of my experience also with my father-in-law. He had a severe headache for 3 continuous days. He was eating modern medicine to relieve the pain, but he couldn't get any relief from his pain. I could see his agonizing pain, restless, and he will go bed and sleep and lie down. And on the 3rd day, I requested that let us do some hydrotherapy. And he immediately accepted. And we just took the normal bucket of water, made him to sit, put both the leg in the water, and add some mustard oil. And we made him to sit for half an hour. Okay, we massage his leg, his shoulder, and his head. And in between, I will make him to take deep breath. Okay, and we will massage his leg, and just after that treatment, his headache has left him. He was so happy. And right after the hydrotherapy, we gave him a lemon water with a little salt and with little honey. And he just took his bicycle and he went for vegetable shopping. Isn't that exciting story? So let us learn something without using any medication, but only with water. There is a miracle in it. Our eyes cannot see, but we can know the benefits of the healing through our eyes by seeing, by doing. And I want to share one of my experience with my children. Okay, whenever they have stomach problem, what I do, I just give them hot water bag just to put on their tummy, and I give them hot drink. Okay, I boil 2 glasses of pure water, add some fenugreek, okay, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek, and smash some ginger. So I boil it, and after that I will make them to drink. That is how I used to practice for my children too, without any medication, only with water. Friends, it is not exciting? You try it at home and you will love it. Okay? And I want to share another experience also with my patients. Okay, I used to be with the staffs. Okay, whenever they have stomach problem, I always follow this method, giving them warm water bag in their stomach, giving them to drink water, and even during the menstrual cramp also they can use this without any side effect. Okay, and once in a while my husband also used to have stomach ache. I don't give any medication. I used to do hot and cold therapy. So for him, what I do, I take hot water, okay, and put it around the pain area for 3 minutes, okay, and just after that for 30 seconds I put the ice water around the abdomen. So consecutively I will do hot and cold, hot for 3 minutes and cold water for 30 seconds. 3 times I will do, and quickly the pain gets relieved. So what a wonderful God we have. Okay, we can see a miraculous healing property in the water, and I would like to suggest each and everyone who are watching today to go right inside the kitchen. Whoever has pain, give that water treatment, not the medicine. Thank you so much for hearing, and be blessed and be blessing for others. Thank you.